Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to add a user to Facebook Business Manager in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just managing a team online, knowing how to add users efficiently can save you tons of time and streamline your operations. This feature has been updated in 2025 for better security and ease of use, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook Business Manager account. If you don't have one yet, head over to business.facebook.com and set it up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Business Settings. This is your control center for all account management. Next, in the Business Settings page, scroll down until you find the Users section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of current users. To add a new one, hit the Add button, usually labeled as Add People or something similar. Now, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to add. Facebook will send them an invitation, so make sure it's an active email. After that, assign the appropriate role to this user. In 2025, Facebook has more granular permissions, like admin, editor, or analyst. Choose based on what access they need. For example, if they're handling ads, give them editor rights. Double-check everything to avoid any mishaps, then click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email and need to accept it to gain access. Once they've accepted, you can go back to the Users section to verify their status. That's it, you've successfully added a user. This process helps keep your business secure while allowing collaboration. Remember, staying updated with these tools can give your business an edge. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.